Ever stared at a massive spreadsheet feeling lost? Pivot tables in Power BI come to the rescue. These magical tables summarize data like a pro, letting you group and analyze information easily. Think of them as your personal assistant for organizing messy datasets. And trust me, once you get the hang of them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. A pivot table is like a shape-shifting superhero for your data. It takes raw numbers and transforms them into meaningful insights, helping you slice and dice information with ease. Whether you're analyzing sales, trends, or customer behavior, pivot tables do the heavy lifting, making sure you always look like the smartest person in the room. Why use pivot tables in Power BI? Well, imagine manually crunching thousands of rows of data. Sounds exhausting, right? Pivot tables make life easier by simplifying analysis, helping you interact with data effortlessly. Plus, they turn dull spreadsheets into visually appealing reports. So instead of drowning in numbers, let pivot tables do the hard work. Think of the matrix visual as the cooler, more stylish cousin of the pivot table in Power BI. It lets you organize data in nested rows and columns, creating structured views with subtotals and highlights. And trust me, once you start using it, you'll feel like you're cracking the code of data analysis like a pro. Sorting and filtering can make your data work for you. Want to find the needle in your data haystacks? Filters to the rescue. Sorting is like organizing your closet, everything in its place. And if basic sorting isn't enough, multi-level sorting gets your data dressed to impress. Plus, slicers are the VIP pass to quick filtering. Let's declutter our pivot tables like pros. Hierarchies in pivot tables. Think of them like family trees. Organizing data into levels makes navigation easier. Parent-child relationships ensure seamless analysis, like tracking your ancestors but for data. The magic of drill down lets you zoom in for the details when needed. And structured hierarchy views give your reports a polished look. Let's make pivot tables smarter, one hierarchy at a time. DAX, no, not a superhero, but close enough for data analysts. It lets you create custom calculations like a math wizard. Calculated columns make complex analysis possible, while measures let you generate dynamic insights without breaking a sweat. And performance optimization. That's like fine-tuning your car engine, smooth, efficient, and powerful. Let's unleash the power of DAX. New isn't always better, sometimes classic style wins. Switching to classic pivot table mode makes data easier to format and customize. The familiar layout means less fumbling and more efficiency. Drag and drop functionality keeps things intuitive, and structured formats improve readability. Let's embrace the old school charm that just works. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.